So guys, I am sad because we have plants like this. Look, they have a lot. Our plant is this one. And look at this. Oh. And then they will throw, oh look. They will get that, look. We have like this, guys, this one. And look, that are. But sad to say, guys, hindi ko alam kung sino gumawa nito. Oh, look at this one. Pero look at this, guys. Look, I try to plant it again. And this one was good. It was still there. But this is one, and also this one. We have always there. One, and then two, and then three, and then four, and then five, and then six. This one is six, and this one is seven, and this one is eight, 9. Okay, 10. 10. Guys, this is 11. 11, 12. Guys, 12 already. 12. Guys, this is 13. OMG. 13. Oh my god. This is 14. Guys, look at this. This is for monkey. Monkey do this. Tabi. And this one, OMG. And who do this? Oh my god. Guys, all. Look. Whew. Oh my god. And this is only now. Oh, guys. They will eat it. OMG. Guys, look. Another one. Oh. Guys, all. OMG. And they know how to get it. Oh, look. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. They will destroy it. Saan ba sila galing? Oh. Now only this one. Guys. And also this one. Oh my god. Oh. And it was today. Be, kunin mo na yung ano, yung makat na kita, boss. So all of here, guys. Yung ano, yung aking bag, isulod mo yung ano to eh. Guys, sorry. I don't have any idea. But, sad. Isulod ng... sige, dada ang baso, dada nga di dada. Takbaso, takon bag. Ang termos. Oh, sige pa nga, nanay kita. Ay, ikaw nanay kita kaon, nanay. Whew. We have to go home, guys. And I told to my sister about it. OMG. I don't know what kind of animals is that. I think it was just monkey. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know.